Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to use the Samsung Intelligent Wi-Fi security feature on your phone, on your Samsung phone, to protect you from the unsecure Wi-Fi networks. So let's get started. So first we need to go to settings, so open the settings, then tap on connections, go to Wi-Fi, and here tap on the more options icon, and then tap on intelligent Wi-Fi. Oh, not here, not advanced settings, intelligent Wi-Fi, my bad. And in the intelligent Wi-Fi menu, you will see this option, detect suspicious networks. You can enable or disable this option by tapping on a switch. Right here, I recommend to turn it on, and what this option does, it basically detects suspicious activity on the current network, and also it will give you additional protection from suspicious activity and attacks on the Wi-Fi networks. And once it detects the network, it will list it right here probably in this menu, and you can also add them to the exceptions. So if you have some network and you want to still use it, you can add it to exception for this feature to skip it, and basically it won't tell you that this network is suspicious, but I don't recommend to do that. If you have any suspicious networks that you've been using and the phone warns you about them, I recommend to not use them. Or if you really need to, use them with the VPN, because using network without or suspicious network without any kind of protections, it might be dangerous, so I do recommend that. And what I mean by dangerous networks, usually any like a public network could be potentially dangerous, so I don't recommend using any public networks without VPN at least to protect yourself from attacks. So that's what I recommend. Also, I recommend to use this option for you to be like warned if you have any suspicious activity going on in the background. Okay, and that's about all. If you found this video any helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.